Hello everyone and welcome to Van Kamen Spellcast. Here is the long-awaited Fate Reforged booster pack opening. And by long-awaited I mean about an hour or two. Alright, let's get it going here. As I said before, never opened any of these packs, so we'll see what's in here. Get through these commons pretty quick. Uncommons will go a little bit slower. And there's our rare. Alright. Scroll of the Masters. Whenever you cast a non-creature spell, put a lore counter on Scroll of Masters. Pay 3 and tap. Target creature you control gets +1/+1 until end of turn for each lore counter on Scroll of Masters. Not too good, not too bad. Then we got a holographic, and we got a land, and a spirit token. Alrighty, on to the next one. Here's our rare. Oh, how do you say that? Ojutai, Soul of Winter. Legendary dragon. Flying in vigilance. Whenever dragon you control attacks, tap target non-land permanent an opponent controls. That permanent doesn't untap during its controller's untap step. Alright. Not too shabby. Here's our holographic. There's our land. And there is our token. Last one. See if we get something great. Alright. Sandstep Mastodon. 5/5 with reach. When it enters battlefield, bolster 5, which is choose a creature with the least toughness among creatures you control and put 5+1/+1 counters on it. Alrighty. Then we got the Bloodfell, Caves, and a Spirit Token. Alright, no real groundbreakers there, but a couple good cards. And honestly, I've seen that symbol before and never knew which set it belonged to. So now we know. Alright, thanks for joining us today here on Van Kamen Spellcast. Hope you had a good time. Like, comment, subscribe, and have a good one.